All right, you ready?
Yeah.
You ever ridden a bike before?
No, not really. I mean, I rode a bicycle, but...
What does that keychain say?
It says, I love boobies. I mean...
All right, I'll lead the way to the highway, and then you,
I go fast.
You getting the stopping thing good?
Yeah, the stopping, it's good. I've only ball tapped myself like 6 times.
That's good. I didn't even know the rear brake worked on that, so that's good.
I'm gonna be pregnant by the end of this, or not
What?
pregnant. Anyways.
All right.
What?
Why are you so far up on the tank? Why are you like this, dude? You're like this.
Hold on. I got it! Oh shit!
Oh! I take the curve like this.
Alright.
Are you watching? And then you...
Yeah. Yeah, okay, I got it. I got it. Alright, hold on. You ready?
Yeah. Oh shit, dude.
Was it good? Did I
Oh
do it?
yeah. Yo, did you learn that from Matthew Woods or what?
Yeah, I learned it
Yeah.
from Matthew. He
I
said,
bet you watch a lot of
hit
his
on it.
videos, huh?
I watch all of them. Yeah, I think Matthew Woods is my favorite content creator.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's like
That's
a real
good.
rider, you know? He like really,
Oh.
he really rides, and I love it.
Oh, okay.
I mean, he taught me everything I know, pretty much.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh shit! See, your lean angle, it doesn't work. It's stupid. All right, that scared
Yeah,
the
no, that's
shit
dumb.
out of me. God, holy shit!
You're purposely like spreading your ass at me right now, right?
No, maybe a little. All right, time for another turn.
Oh
I'm
shit.
ready.
Oh shit, he's about to turn.
Oh shit, I'm going wild.
Oh yeah. Yo, dude, why didn't you just fucking start on a 1K? You have that shit.
I know, I should have. I've learned from the best, you know. I've had a lot of teachers and a lot of people I gotta thank.
Yeah, who you gotta
know.
thank? Go ahead. Thank him.
I mean, Matthew Woods, number 1.
Yeah?
Number 2, there's this girl whose name is like S1K Charlie or whatever.
Yeah.
And I watch a lot of her videos.
Oh yeah?
Like most nights, you know?
Oh.
Jesus. Ah!
Where are you going, buddy?
I'm practicing
shit.
my U-turn.
Oh, with your feet down?
Yeah, that's how you're supposed to do it.
Alright, buddy.
Matthew Woods taught me.
Yeah? Is that what he said to do?
Oh shit! God. I'll get better over time. Giving me much room either.
You got that shit. Go, 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 go! I can't stop!
I can't stop! I'm coming in on your right. I'm not gonna go up to you, but I'm gonna get close.
Okay.
Because I want to see your cheeks. Look at that thigh. Oh shit! Come on here!
Let's go, come on. Good maneuver.
Don't look at me.
I'm not looking. I'm looking.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Fuck. Alright.
Alright.
Shit, I can't fucking... Oh, God. I'm boogieing down. So, what do you rate me out of 10?
I'd give you a... Well, I'd say based on the riding was pretty good, you know? I mean, you almost died once. This low speed stuff maybe is not your thing.
You sure? I mean, I think I'm pretty good at it. I mean,
how would you rate that maneuver you just did there out of 10, probably?
Probably like I mean, yeah, I almost hit the water bottles, but it's probably like a 7.5, I'd say. Maybe an 8.
Out of 10?
Yeah.
10. This many. And you'd give it
yes.
this many. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And you said you learned from who again?
Matthew Woods and it's Carlene.
Oh. Gotcha. No, I mean, hey, I think they would probably give you that rating. I think that's safe to say.
Yeah, that's great.
I mean, in
really,
comparison to them, I'd say you're actually probably right there at the level.
Really?
You're doing great compared to them.
You know, when they said that I'd make friends while riding, I didn't know if they'd be nice ones, but I'm glad, you're a nice one. So,
yeah, dude, I'm a nice one. What do you...
I was just figuring out the seating.
Yeah, the sitting part's tough.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. Well,
it's okay.
We'll ride again soon.
You promise?
Yep.
Thanks.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm going to go now.
Oh shit! I got! Oh shit!
Just playing again.
Oh god!
All right, that's enough of that.
That's enough of that.